Hey, doing everybody? Marco Geppetto for Hot Hardware. I'm here with Mark from Lenovo at their CES 2025 suite to take a look at some cool new gaming devices. Mark, why don't you tell us a little about yourself and take it away?
Yes, hi, thanks Marco. So my name is Mark. I'm one of the Legion product managers at Lenovo, and this year we're really excited to be introducing the latest addition to our gaming handheld ecosystem with the Legion Go S, which is the first gaming handheld with SteamOS officially licensed by Valve. So this has been a really incredible project, and Valve has been one of the incredible strategic partners we've gotten to work with to bring this to market. And our goal with this product was to bring down the entry price point for the gaming handheld while still giving a very performant experience that people can come to expect in the device. So, and on top of collaborating with Valve to get the SteamOS on the device, we also partner with AMD to create a unique CPU called the Z2 Go that is helping us achieve that more aggressive price point and delivering on that performance that you should expect out of a gaming device.
And in terms of the form factor and the colorway, how does this differ from some of the other Legion Go devices?
Yes, so this is, I think, the first handheld venturing outside of just the white and black colorways. And this is actually going to be a Nebula Violet colorway, a purple color on it. And that is exclusive to the Steam OS version of the device. This is also versus the original Legion Go. There are some slight changes, but we kept what really matters. So when we focused on the ergonomics to make it very comfortable in the hand, and we know how much people value the larger screen. So this is smaller than the original Legion Go, but it is still an 8-inch display at 120 hertz refresh rate. That is a variable refresh rate with 500 nits of brightness as well. So really focusing on giving you a really great portable gaming experience.
Gotcha. And in terms of pricing and availability, talking about that yet?
Yes. So the SteamOS version of the device will be available in Q2, and its starting price will be at $499.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Mark.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Thank you, Marco.